Hello and welcome to Simply CM's channel. This is my wife. She had mussels. I had a steak. That's me. Wow, this is a menu card where you can get all sort of things. This is fish. You got sandwiches. You got burgers. You got a lot of different things. You also got desserts and you got drinks. Yes, you heard it here first. This is my wife waiting for her food that you saw in the beginning, but we already know it's mussel. I already said it. Was it? Yeah, what was it? I don't know what it was. It's mussel, it's fries, it's with cream mayo something. This is a steak. You can see it's reddish. I like it. Mashed potato, pepper sauce around it. It is delicious. My wife is eating the mussels again and she's happy, 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 happy. She's so happy. Yes, I like so happy. Oh, look at this. Happy, happy. Okay, that's it for now. The happy girl.